Okay guys, we're on scene of an accident. Somebody drove on Yucaipa Boulevard across of 12th Street into the bus stop, of all places. Drove right into the bus stop here on Yucaipa Boulevard, cross of 12th Street. So this is the scene on 12th Street, cross of Yucaipa Boulevard. Got multiple sheriff's units and fire and ambulance as somebody's driven into the bus stop. I don't know if you can see it here, with their vehicle. So this is the scene out here on Yucaipa Boulevard right now, cross of 12th Street, as a truck has driven into a bus stop on Yucaipa Boulevard. Tragic scene here as a vehicle has driven into the bus stop on Yucaipa Boulevard, cross of 12th Street. This is the scene right now, and again, we show vehicles but we don't show victims, so I'm not going to show you the victim who's lying on the ground. I don't know if it's the driver or the person that was sitting in the bus stop, but it's a very, very tragic incident. So this is the scene here. As the deputies and the detectives and the school officials try to determine exactly what happened and what occurred here. As this truck struck the bus stop, throwing the back completely out. This is the scene right now. The back of the bus stop there at the police officer's feet. The bus stop's backing was actually pushed out into the dirt and landed right there by the vehicle on Yucaipa Boulevard, cross of 12th Street. The ambulance is here on this tragic incident. An afternoon day in Yucaipa, California. Citizens Patrol up here blocking the road from anybody getting by as they're working the accident. So anybody who would be coming up 12th Street would have to turn around and go back down to probably Avenue E or Wildwood Canyon and come up another street. Back of the bus stop completely off as deputies are investigating the accident. I thought that was a headlight that was hanging down before. I'm not so sure that's the inside of the headlight on the truck. Even unmarked vehicles have responded to this accident. As detectives are on scene investigating the incident at this time.